and I've been. So when such wonderful films are being made around the world, and our own Bahubali, I think it's important that the theaters give you the experience to make the film look even.
Okay, I think that's the moment we've been waiting for, because now you've seen him. Now it's time for us to listen to him. Are you ready? Okay, so Shahrukh, thank you so much, first of all. And Mike, over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, everybody, for being here. All the photographers, I've been made to understand that all of you at the back have won some contest. Thank you. It's really kind of you to be here and win this contest and get to allow me to see you. So thank you very much. You all look very nice and sweet and handsome. Thank you. I just want to, on behalf of all of you also, to give me this opportunity to meet you. I think what Inox has done all over the country, and we saw parts of it when they had this beautiful, wonderful film. So thank you, Siddharth, and thank you, Alok, and thank you, everybody who's working here at Inox and trying to give you an experience of filmmaking, which is even beyond the film itself. कुछ सालों पहले जब हम फिल्में देखते थे, when I was younger, I remember theaters बहुत खराब होते थे और फिल्में अच्छी होती थी. And I'm noticing it here that somehow theaters are overtaking the quality of films now. So thank you for making our films look better, Inox. And this experience itself, मुझे इतना मौका नहीं मिलता. I make films, but I hardly get to see them in beautiful theaters like this. But the Insignia area, the whole entrance, the laser projection, the 3D, the IMAX, so many screens, 9 of them here. I've been made to understand 1,700 people can watch films here on a day. So all this is a fantastic experience, only helps filmmakers to make better films, encourages them to try new stuff. I just saw Despicable Me, I saw Minions, and the other time Dunkirk and Transformers, and I've been. So when such wonderful films are being made around the world, and our own Bahubali, I think it's important that the theaters give you the experience to make the film look even better. So thank you very much, Inox, for having me over here. Thank you, boys and girls, for coming here. And it's really nice to meet you all. And thank you very much. Just one last thing. I've been traveling all over the world for the last 1 month, so it's the best homecoming for me to come down to a theater and see a movie or the trailers that I saw. So thank you once again, and God bless you all. And keep being smiling. Keep watching films. Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Shahrukh sir, thank you so much for addressing us all. I'm now going to